Hello! So today I am going to show you how to make Olympic logo candy. You will need to get pony beads or perler beads to make a slightly smaller version of this if you want, and also you will need string. The colors for this will be black, yellow, red, blue, and green. If you forget the pattern scheme of the logo looks like, you can just look it up and save to photos. You'll need 10 or 11 beads for each circle of the Olympics logo. I'm using a nail clipper as a scissors cause I like to aggravate people sometimes. Put it through the blue. I struggled so hard. I hope yours looks like this for now. I skipped like 6 minutes. Don't want to make this 1 hour long. The TW this clip wall for a minute long, and I had to skip the entire 3:55. I hated that it was just my best breath, showing only because I was tying it so hard. I hope this tutorial helped and was helpful. Share this to your friends if they're tired of making the same stuff 24/7.